Determining the right angle. The most important step in the whole process is to determine the right angle. The correct installation of the entire system will depend on it. Install a screw at the outermost lower point, right or left of the roof. Then use methods familiar to roofers to determine the first leg of the triangle. Then calculate the length of the second leg and of the hypotenuse. Once the sides of the triangle have been calculated and measured, install screws at the ends of its legs and route a cord that will define the outermost lines of the system for you. Once the installation is complete, the screws should be removed and the resulting holes in the membrane tightly sealed with a reparation tape.